In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an audience on Mailchimp. If you've ever needed to manage or analyze your audience data outside of Mailchimp, exporting it is a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in and break down the steps so that you can follow along easily. First, you need to head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with your login details, make sure you have them handy so this part goes smoothly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Mailchimp dashboard, which is like your command center for managing all campaigns and audiences. Next, from this main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This vertical bar is filled with options, but you'll want to click on Audience. This will direct you to a section focused solely on the people you're reaching. Here, you'll find all the tools necessary to view, manage, and understand your audience in Mailchimp. Once you're in the audience section, you'll need to select all contacts. This option will give you a comprehensive look at everyone in your audience pool, ensuring that your export captures every contact you've got in the system. Now it's time for the main action, exporting your data. Look for the export audience button. Clicking this initiates the export process, but don't worry, you'll have a chance to confirm your action before anything gets processed. Hit confirm export to proceed. This solidifies your decision to export the full list of audience data. Once you've confirmed, Mailchimp will start generating a downloadable .zip file containing a CSV file that holds all your audience data. This format is incredibly useful because CSV files are compatible with a wide range of applications, allowing you to manipulate and analyze the data as needed. When the export is complete, you'll receive an email notification at the address associated with your Mailchimp account. This email includes a link from which you can download the zip file, providing easy access to your freshly exported data. Let me share a few additional tips to maximize your exporting process. If you're interested in only a specific group within your audience, consider creating a segment and exporting just that portion. This way you won't have to sift through unnecessary data. Also, before proceeding with any exports, ensure your audience data is up to date and clean. This step is crucial for ensuring that your exported file reflects the most accurate and useful information possible. Fields included in your export will consist of essential contact details like email addresses and names alongside any custom fields you've set up. That's it for exporting your audience on Mailchimp. With these steps and tips, you can efficiently export your data and use it to its full potential. Happy exporting!